guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul with you guys. I'm going to be sharing everything that I got for the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I think there were some great discounts, some great offers, lots and lots of free goodies. So सब कुछ मैं आप लोगों के साथ आज शेयर करने वाली हूँ. And a week back मैंने Nykaa Hot Pink sale के लिए कुछ recommendations आप लोगों के साथ share किए थे in skincare, makeup, fragrance and body care category, in hair care also. So आप वो वाला recommendations video भी check out कर सकते हो in case you want to purchase something from Nykaa right now or in the future. You can always check out that video. And of course Nykaa hauls are something that you guys love watching on my channel. My Nykaa hauls generally do really well. So thank you for giving my Nykaa hauls so much love. I love shopping from Nykaa and the love that you guys give me just encourages me and motivates me to make these videos for you people. So guys, this time I pushed the limit, the bar a little more than usual. This time I really had quite a lot of products in mind which I wanted to try out, and I also had to restock a lot of things. I will definitely share the prices that I ended up paying vis-a-vis the MRP of the products, so you guys can actually make out कि मैंने कितने पैसे बचाए, कितने पैसे मैंने सेव किए. By the way guys, before I begin, let me just put it out there कि बहुत सारे products है because I have shopped for rupees 6,000 this time, and because बहुत सारे products है तो मुझे काफ़ी time लगने वाला है आप लोगों के साथ share करने के लिए. So it's gonna be a long video, so please sit with your tea, coffee, hot chocolate, lemonade, anything that you like having, along with some snack, and enjoy the video. Let's start. Alright, so first up I have with me the Cosrx Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. Oh my god, this is such a hyped up product. Like everybody loves talking about this, everybody loves the product, and ये मेरे wish list में काफ़ी दिनों से था. So finally मुझे इस पे 20% off मिला during the Nykaa Hot Pink sales. This is for rupees 1450. I got it for rupees 1160. I know it's still expensive, but this is something which I really wanted to try out because I have dry skin, okay? And I've heard that this really helps dehydrated and dry skin, helps you deal with dark spots, repairs dark spots basically, and also if you have acne prone skin, this will really help you. And this basically gives you a very soft, smooth and supple skin, which as a dry skin girl I really appreciate and look forward to, right? So मैंने finally ये वाला purchase कर लिया, and guys I've been trying this out for a week now, and मैंने इतना ही खत्म किया है, like you can see, because ये product का ना आपको उतना ज़्यादा लगता नहीं है. This is so moisturizing, so hydrating ना, that you will require literally one drop because this comes in a pump packaging. So you will literally need one drop of this and you can just put it on your face before you go to bed. I basically use this as a part of my night skincare routine and I have been loving it. So if you guys have a dehydrated and dry skin and you guys want to try out a really good Korean skincare product and you guys have that kind of a budget, then आप लोगों ना definitely ये वाला एक बार definitely try करना चाहिए. Alright, next up I want to talk to you guys about two fragrance products, two ETPs that I have purchased. Both are from the brand Plum, and these are for rupees 899 and I got them for rupees 620 or 624 something. The exact prices that I paid for these products will be mentioned somewhere here. I think I got a steal deal because Plum EDPs are known to be very luxurious, very long lasting and not a pinch to your pocket. So I think these are like really great. I of course have tried the smoking vanilla perfume. इसके पहले मेरे पास इसका छोटा वाला size था जो मैं ऑफिस लेके जाती थी, ऑफिस पाउच में डाल के लेके जाती थी, एंड आई रियली लव द स्मोकिंग वनीला फ्रॉम प्लम. तो मैंने इसलिए इसको ऑर्डर किया बिकॉज काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्काउंट था, 25% ऑफ था, एंड दिस हैज सच नाइस वुडी एंड मस्की नोट्स. ऑफ कोर्स वनीला बट अ वेरी स्पाइसी वनीला काइंड ऑफ अ नोट. इट्स रियली नाइस. इफ यू गाइज एंजॉय वनीला नोट्स आप लोग को डेफिनेटली ये वाला एक बार तो ट्राई करना ही चाहिए. एंड अनदर वनीला नोट जो कि रिसेंटली प्लम ने लॉन्च किया था इज द वनीला Caramello. Now Vanilla Caramello का जो body lotion है, I literally have seen it in every YouTuber's मंथली फेवरेट्स, एम्प्टीज, बेस्ट स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, ये सारे वीडियोस में ना मैंने वो वनीला कैरेमेलो का बॉडी लोशन देखा हुआ है. मुझे ये वनीला कैरेमेलो का ना फ्रेग्रेंस जानना था कि लोग इतना क्या अप्रिशिएट करते हैं इसको, तो मैंने ये वाला EDP भी ऑर्डर कर दिया था. एंड गाइज आप देख सकते हो मैंने ये ऑलरेडी कितना फिनिश कर लिया है. सो इट्स नॉट अ वेरी हैवी बॉटल और एनीथिंग. ओके, इट्स लाइक अ 50 ml बॉटल. इट्स ऑफकोर्स ग्लास बट इट्स स्टिल पोर्टेबल बिकॉज इट्स नॉट हैवी लाइक आई सेड. तो ये भी मैं अभी ऑफिस लेके जाती हूँ एंड I enjoy this fragrance so much. This literally has notes of pistachio, almond. It also has great notes of sandalwood, and this is a very long lasting EDP. And once I started using this, I literally understood why people are so obsessed with this smell. This is really nice. It's not very sweet, but it's the perfect sweet, the perfect vanilla, and those hints of caramel coming in. It's really great. So I think if you guys are looking for a good EDP, you guys should definitely try out either the smoking vanilla one or the vanilla caramello. I will of course recommend both of these to you all because I personally enjoy both of these very much. Alright, next up I have a makeup product with me. Now I got the K Beauty 24-hour lasting transfer proof, smudge proof Kohl Star Kajal. This is enriched with chamomile and ceramide, and this is the first time that I'm going to be trying this out because this is a teal colored eyeliner. Okay, teal colored kajal basically. Now I specifically wanted the teal color because otherwise there is a blue, they have a green and they have a brown, but मुझे ना ये teal color eyes पे बहुत interesting लगता है. मैंने of course ये try out किया हुआ है पहले, but of other brands, not from K Beauty. So let me just quickly open this up and show you how this feels like. Let me just do like a first impressions. I've heard that this is really pigmented and smudge proof and waterproof and all of that. And guys, also I got a very good deal on this one. This one costs I think rupees 400, but I got it for rupees 300, which was a really good deal, like a 20% off. So yeah, pretty amazing. That's the kajal, you guys. The color is so nice. It's this beautiful sea green kind of color. I didn't want the absolute blue or the absolute green. This is somewhere in middle and I just love this shade. So let's just quickly do a swatch. Wow, this is like butter, you guys. This literally glided as butter, and I pretty much love the shade. I think this is a shade which will be very nice for the festive time and like usual days also. You can definitely go ahead and use this shade. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and I think for rupees 300 this was a steal deal. I have become a fan of K Beauty products, you guys. You will see a few more K Beauty products in this haul. I've literally become a fan. Now the next product is also from K Beauty. I finally bought the blush from K Beauty. This is their creme blush, which is enriched with cranberry and avocado oil, and this is what the blush looks like. It's such a cute little packaging. Just look at this, and the shade, no, the shade of the blush is legit like the shade of the packaging. I am not even kidding, you guys. This is literally the shade of the product, and this is in the shade Rosy Romance. Okay, this is a beautiful rosy pink color. This is exactly what I have on my cheeks right now. You can see how beautiful this is. Now I can tell you that this is very pigmented. It will very nicely settle on your cheeks. It will glide very easily. You can blend it very easily, and this is beginner friendly as well because I was never into blushes. Okay, I had a Swiss Beauty का blush palette which also had a highlighter. मैंने वो बहुत पहले खरीदा था, and till now I was using that palette. But I wanted to try a cream blush this time because I've heard good things about cream blushes because वो Swiss Beauty वाला powder blush था. K Beauty के cream blush के बारे में मैंने specifically बहुत ज़्यादा सुना था, and I was like, no, I need to buy it, and it was on a pretty good deal. I think this was for rupees 650 and the MRP is close to 880 or something. So a pretty good deal, 20-25% off, and I really am so happy. Look at the finishing that it has given my face. I think it looks so nice. The shade is absolutely perfect, and the best part is that it looks natural. It doesn't look artificial, which I really prefer and appreciate. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this product and just show you how easy this is to blend, and you will not need a lot of product. Okay, you will just need, like, legit, you will need this much. Okay, and this will do the job because this is amazing. That's the blush. Look how beautiful the shade is, and it's super easy to blend as well, like I told you. Also, it's looking so natural. So I think if you guys are looking for a good blush for the festive season, for the wedding season, which is right around the corner, I think the Rosy Romance shade for somebody who's around my skin tone will be a great pick. And of course they have other shades as well, which are in the nudish and coral range. You guys can try those out as well, but I definitely have become a fan of this. Next up, I have a face wash. I got myself the Dot & Key face wash. This is the Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Gel face wash with salicylic acid and green tea. This reduces active acne, calms redness and irritation. This is SLS free, sulfate free, and this is basically for oily and acne prone skin. Now guys, I have shown you face washes from Simple and Minimalist, and those were also for acne prone skin and oily skin. Now I don't have oily skin, but because I have acne prone skin now, which I think I have been able to deal like a little bit with the skincare and the raisin water that I consume in the morning and all of that, I think I've been able to control my acne marks and all of that a little bit. But yeah, these face washes work really well for me. I initially used to not prefer them because ये oily skin के लिए होता था, and I used to wonder कि नहीं, this will not work for my dry skin. But generally the acne prone skin के लिए जो face washes आते हैं ना, those are also made for oily skin people. So I had to try them out, and those have all worked out for me so well. This face wash is really great from Dot & Key. I wanted to try out this one because this actually says that it helps reduce active acne as well as deal with the acne blemishes. And I recently have developed acne prone skin, like I have shared with you guys in my previous videos. So till now I've been using this. This works very nicely for me, doesn't dry out my skin unnecessarily, and it's very soothing, very calming, gentle to use, and of course it's a gel face wash, so it doesn't dry me out like I said. And this one is for rupees 249, which already is pretty inexpensive, but I got this for rupees 209. Alright, next up I have a lipstick. This one is the Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick in the shade Khoobsurat, which is a beautiful orangish and nude pinkish kind of a shade. This I don't know मेरा कितना number lipstick है, मतलब I have repurchased and repurchased and repurchased. That is how much I love this shade. ये तो नया पैकेजिंग है. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव फिनिश्ड. इसमें लिटरली एक ड्रॉप भी नहीं है. ये मेरे नायका रिकमेंडेशंस वीडियो में भी था. सो अभी मैं ये सील ओपन नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं आप लोग को ये वाला ही दिखा देती हूँ. यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दिस शेड इज. दिस बेसिकली इज अ वेरी light orange and light pink kind of a shade. Now some of you all will like to wear it as is, and some of you all like me would like to layer it up with a little darker shade, and I think for somebody who loves nude shades, pink shades, they're gonna love this shade. It's a very nice shade. It's matte, absolutely matte, but it's not drying, which I think is a great combination because most matte lipsticks are very drying on the lips. This has vitamin E, this is transfer proof as well, and iska MRP hai rupees 675, but I cracked a great deal and I got it for rupees 500, so this basically was a steal deal. Next up I have one of my favorite products with me. इसके तो मैंने कितने bottles खत्म किए हैं पता ही नहीं है मुझे. So this one is the Garnier Micellar Water. Oh my god, this is such a nice micellar water. This is really good for sensitive skin as well, and I think this helps take out makeup like so quickly and so gently, and this does a really great job with waterproof and smudge proof makeup as well, because I usually wear smudge proof mascara, and this really helps me take it off very nicely without any problems whatsoever. Now the MRP of this is I think rupees 360 or 370 something, and I got it for rupees 250, मतलब कुछ 20% off था, which I think is a great deal. I got this huge bottle. This one is a 400 ml bottle, but I wanted to get the big one because generally the bigger bottles have better sales, better discounts, and micellar water is something which I legit use every single day of my life. So छोटा बॉटल लेके कोई फायदा होता नहीं, so मैंने यही वाला बॉटल ले लिया. Now recently मैंने आप लोग को दिखाया भी था कि मैंने ना लैक्मे का माइसेलर वाटर ट्राई आउट किया है. फिर मैंने गार्नियर का ही जो एक दूसरा आता है ना ऑयल इन्फ्यूज्ड वाला, वो भी ट्राई आउट किया था. And I've used other micellar waters in between also, but I've come back to this because I have realized that this is my holy grail, and I really enjoy this micellar water. Now in my Nykaa Hot Pink Sale recommendations video, मैंने आप लोगों को ना एक शैम्पू ब्रांड के बारे में बोला था. I had told you that I'm already using one of their ranges and I'm gonna very soon try out their other ranges as well. So I had spoken to you guys about this shampoo from Bare Anatomy. This is their color protect shampoo basically, and मुझे इनके दूसरे ranges भी try out करने थे because अभी मेरे बाल पे color है ही नहीं, मेरा सारा color उड़ गया है, तो मैं color protect shampoo क्यों ही use करूँ. So I have emptied this out and I wanted a very good anti-dandruff shampoo because it's the monsoon season, and monsoon mein I have noticed that the dandruff quantity really increases and you have other issues as well in your hair, but I think dandruff specifically really increases during the monsoon season. That's what I've been facing, so I wanted a good anti-dandruff shampoo. Now we've already heard about brands like Head and Shoulders and all of that, but मैंने आप लोगों को ये बोला था कि Bare Anatomy के पास ना बहुत सारे ranges है for different hair concerns, and I told you that I will definitely be trying out all of their ranges one by one. तो मैंने Nykaa Hot Pink सेल में मंगा लिया है ये वाला शैम्पू जो कि है उनका एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू. दिस इज सल्फेट फ्री, पैराबेन फ्री एंड डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड. दिस कम्स विद द एफिकेसी ऑफ सैलिसिलिक एसिड एंड बायोटीन. स्पेसिफिकली एंटी डैंड्रफ पर्पस के लिए ही ये है. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ट्राइंग दिस. आई विल ट्राई दिस, विवेक विल ट्राई दिस, एंड मे बी वेरी सून वी विल बी एबल टू शेयर अ रिव्यू विथ यू गाइज, बिकॉज लाइक यू कैन सी इस पे भी सील लगा हुआ है. सो दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई हैव ट्राइड आउट. सो बिकॉज मैंने ट्राई आउट नहीं किया है, मैं आप लोग के साथ रिव्यू नहीं शेयर कर पा रही हूँ. इनका कलर प्रोडक्ट शैम्पू बहुत अच्छा था, सो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि इवन दिस विल वर्क रियली वेल. नाउ इसका एमआरपी है ₹545, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर ₹370, 360 समथिंग, विच इज अ ह्यूज डिस्काउंट, लाइक अ 30% डिस्काउंट, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ones that I cracked during the sale. So yeah, really looking forward to trying this shampoo. Alright, next up I have a toner with me. I have got the Plum Niacinamide and Rice Water Toner, which comes with oat extract. This basically helps you tighten your pores and smoothens up your skin. Now toner is something which you definitely should be using. It really refreshes the skin, and I think toner, if you use it before makeup na, it helps your makeup glide also a little easier. That's what I have observed basically. Now इस पे उतना कुछ great sale नहीं था, ये ₹420 का है, मुझे ये 382 का पड़ा, which is a 9% off. But I really wanted to buy a good toner. I really wanted to buy a toner with a spray or a pump packaging because they are easier to use. इसके पहले मैं कामा आयुर्वेदा का टोनर यूज कर रही थी, एंड वो ना नॉर्मल एक बॉटल फॉर्म में है, इट्स नॉट इन अ स्प्रे और अ पम्प पैकेजिंग, विच इज वाई उसको यूज करना कभी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट माई सेल्फ द प्लम टोनर. आई हैव हर्ड रियली गुड थिंग्स अबाउट इट. Rice water, like we know, is very good for the skin. It really helps you get good skin, supple skin, bright skin. So I'm really excited to try this one out as well. ये भी seal में है अभी. I haven't tried this out and I will not be able to share a review right away, but I'm really looking forward and very excited to try this toner out because I actually love toners, and बहुत दिन हो गए मैंने कोई अच्छे ब्रांड का अच्छा टोनर ट्राई नहीं किया था. So yeah, I got this. Alright, next up I have another makeup product. I was really looking to buy a good compact powder. I mean, there are so many good compact powders available in the market. I have been using and abusing the Lakme का compact powder, but वो ना अभी पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. I have hit pan and I was really in the search of a good compact, and I went back to one of my favorites, which happens to be the one from L'Oreal. This is their Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation in a powder. This is what the powder looks like, the compact powder looks like. This is basically foundation in a powder because this is very full coverage, yet it's very natural. It's like absolutely sweat proof, waterproof, transfer proof, and this is exactly what I've set my face with today. I just have CC cream and उसको मैंने ये L'Oreal के compact के साथ सेट कर लिया है. So you can see how my skin looks right now. I think it looks really nice. Of course full coverage, yet it looks very natural, which is something that I really love. Now the MRP of this is ₹1,094, but I got it for ₹826, which I think is super awesome because L'Oreal products में ना उतने heavy discounts मैंने कभी देखे नहीं है, but ये compact is something जो मैं wait कर रही थी literally ये sale का कि मैं ये वाला compact तो बॉस लेने वाली हूँ because मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है, बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. For beginners also you can use something like this because like I said, this is basically foundation in a compact. अब देख सकते हो. I don't think I have mentioned the shade to you all. The shade that I've purchased is Rose Sand. This is the shade which I think suits me very nicely. इसके पहले मैं इनका कुछ ivory ऐसा कुछ shade use करती थी, but rose sand is a better shade for me, I think, because the ivory one was a little too white. This one is a little pinkish, so I think it suits me better. So yeah, I think the sale was a perfect time to buy a product like this because ये बहुत ही अच्छा compact है, बहुत ही easy to use है, बहुत ही natural है, full coverage है, and it is sweat proof, which is very important in a city like Mumbai जहाँ पे humidity is always so high in spite of the monsoon. So I needed something which would be waterproof as well as sweat proof because of the monsoon season in Mumbai, and I am so happy to have this. Next up I have a body wash with me. Now I was using body washes from Lux and Liril and दोनों ही खत्म हो गए थे, so I wanted a good body wash and मुझे ना उतना ज़्यादा experiment करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. Of course Love Beauty and Planet has great body washes, so does Bath and Body Works, but I wanted to buy something from the drugstore itself. So I went in for this body wash from Dove. This is their Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash. This is a 250 ml bottle. This is sulfate free. The price of this is rupees 225. I got it for rupees 149 if I'm not wrong, which is a great deal. Like I think 34-35% off, which is absolutely stunning and amazing. Now this body wash is something which I've been using recently and I have been loving, to be very honest, because this has gentle exfoliating particles, so it does feel like a body scrub, but it is very gentle at the same time, because you're not supposed to scrub your skin every single day, but it's a body wash, you will use it every single day, right? But this has scrub particles, but they are very gentle. The smell is very mild. It has this like typical signature Dove smell, but I really enjoy it, and I was actually looking forward to buying this. And hot pink sale के time पे इतना अच्छा offer मुझे इस पे मिल गया, like 35% off is no joke, right? So I am very happy with this particular purchase, and मैं तो इसको बहुत ज़्यादा use कर रही हूँ अभी, because I love that it has scrub particles, so मेरा scrubbing वाला काम भी एक ही product से हो जाता है. And the smell is very nice, very mild. It's not very long lasting, but you will definitely enjoy using this shower gel. Alright, next up I have a Instagram viral product. I have been seeing videos of this product for so long now. This is the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. This is what the packaging looks like. Now this helps you clean your pores, removes blackheads, and also improves skin clarity and tone. Along with that, this will also tighten your pores, exfoliates gently, brightens your skin, and most importantly, I've heard that it really helps reduce tan. I was looking for a mask which will help me deal with my tan. Right now I'm not that tan, but sometimes I get very badly tanned, you know. So this is a great mask is what I've heard. It's still in its packaging, so of course I haven't tried this out, but I'm really looking forward to this because I've heard great things about this. Now this was on a fantastic deal, okay, like a really good deal, because this is for rupees 545, but I got it for rupees 327. 40% off, guys. 40% off on a viral product is something which is amazing, right? This was a particularly great steal deal, and I'm really looking forward to, you know, using this mask, because I love clay masks, and this has Brazilian purple clay, kaolin clay, and lactic acid, so very good ingredients. And I, like I said, love and enjoy clay masks a lot because I find them way more effective than sheet masks. So yeah, I have quite a nice clay mask collection already. I have one from Plum, I have one from Dot & Key, and yeah, this is just gonna go and sit next to them, and I'm gonna use this very soon, and if possible I'm gonna share a review of this very soon with you guys. That was a huge haul, you guys, like a huge haul, probably the biggest Nykaa haul on my channel, and I do Nykaa hauls very frequently, okay, like very frequently. I literally have taken an oath that for the whole month of August I will not be placing any orders on Nykaa, because literally मुझे जो भी required था and मुझे जो भी try करना था सब मैंने hot pink sale में मंगवा लिया है. So definitely in the month of August there are not going to be any Nykaa orders, there are not going to be any more Nykaa hauls on the channel, but of course I'm going to be doing many more videos. Like I'm going to be doing a product empties video very soon, I'm going to bring a west side haul video very soon, so stay tuned for that. Also my hair care video and my hair care routine video, all of those things are going to come up really soon. But before I leave you guys for today, I want to share with you all the freebies, the free goods that I got with this haul, which is so sweet of Nykaa, and of course the various brands that have sent me these free goodies. I'm not going to talk to you guys about these products in detail because of course these are things that are sample size के things are mostly, and I haven't tried out most of them. The ones that I have review भी देती जाऊंगी आप लोगों को. सबसे पहले मेरे पास है प्लम का ये वाला मस्कारा. नाउ प्लम से मैंने काफी सारी चीजें मंगाई है, लाइक यू सॉ मैंने 2 EDPs मंगाए हैं, मैंने उनका टोनर मंगाया है. सो आई थिंक मुझे बहुत सारे फ्री गुडीज मिल गए हैं प्लम की तरफ से. सो मुझे एक नहीं, एक्चुअली मुझे 2 मस्कारास प्लम ने भेज दिया है. Like you can see, दोनों मुझे फ्री में मिले by the way. And this one is the packaging, and this one I've opened today and I've used this today. Now I have previously never used the mascara from Plum. This is their Lash Drama mascara, and I've tried this out today. Now I will not say that this is great or amazing or out of the world or something, but if you guys are like a beginner and you want to start using a mascara, or you want to wear it for daily use and not for parties and functions and events, but to college or to office maybe, then I think this is going to be a great pick, because this does not give you a very dramatic and over the top look, but it does definitely give you a nice natural look. So I'm not very impressed by this. I will not like invest my own money and buy this, but because I have this as a free gift, I will definitely be using this along with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which is my favorite. Now Plum has sent me their body mist samples also. I have 2 packets of these, so Plum has been very generous this time. This is their Fun of Misting Out FOMO collection. तो इसमें है Tripping Mimosas, Hawaiian Roomba and Vanilla Vibes के छोटे sample sizes उनके body mists के. And this one also is the same. It has the same 3 body mists. Now I of course have tried out the Vanilla Vibes and the Hawaiian Roomba body mists in the past, but I've never tried out the Tripping Mimosas one. Though I've heard good things about that. I think that's very summer friendly, citrusy, orangey kind of a fragrance. So uska abhi try out kar leta hai, because I've never tried that out. Okay, here it is. Look at the size. It's so cute. These are really nice to sort of carry in your purse or in your handbag, because they are so small and cute. Wow, this is not bad at all. Now I generally gravitate towards musky, woody, sandalwoody, vanilla notes. I'm not a fan of like fresh mists that much, but right now if I would have had to go to a beach, which I can't because of the rains, but अगर मुझे जाना होता किसी beach पे, मैं definitely ये Tripping Mimosas वाला मेरे साथ लेके जाती. I really like that it's super fresh. Really good one. Besides these body mists, Plum ने मुझे ये भी भेजा है. So sweet of them. This is basically their vanilla trio. This has their body wash, body lotion and perfume. Now of course smoking vanilla perfume तो मैंने पहले try भी किया है, मैंने वापस मंगाया भी है. Vanilla body wash and vanilla body lotion ये दोनों मैंने try नहीं किया है. ये दोनों मैं try करने वाली हूँ, and I think these are going to be great when I'm traveling and I want those travel sizes, you know, like छोटे size के चीज़ें. तो जब मैं travel करूँगी next, मैं definitely ये वाला जो छोटा सा डब्बा है जिसमें 3 चीज़ें आ गई है अपने साथ लेके जाने वाली हूँ. सॉरी फॉर दैट, अपने साथ लेके जाने वाली हूँ डेफिनेटली. ऑल राइट, बिसाइड्स प्लम 2 और ऐसी ब्रांड्स थी जिन्होंने सोचा कि हाँ रुकमा को फ्री गिफ्ट्स भेजते हैं. वेरी स्वीट ऑफ देम एज वेल. सो आई गॉट दिस प्राइमर फ्रॉम नाइका. दिस इज देयर प्रेप मी अप फेस प्राइमर. नाउ दिस ऑल्सो इज समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू बी ग्रेट फॉर ट्रैवल. सो क्यूट, एंड आई हैव हर्ड ग्रेट थिंग्स अबाउट दिस प्राइमर. आई ऑनेस्टली हैवंट यूज्ड दिस वन बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड दैट दिस इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक द इनसाइड प्राइमर, एंड इनसाइड प्राइमर मैंने यूज किया है. सो इफ इट इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक that one, I'm sure it's going to be a great primer. So looking forward to trying this out and of course taking this along with me on my travels. And L'Oreal ने भी मुझे एक चीज भेजा है, which is their Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid का छोटा सा sample size. Basically I have tried out the full bottle, the full size of their hyaluronic acid serum, and that is something which I absolutely love and adore. Had I not purchased the snail mucin from Cosrx, I definitely would have purchased the hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal, or the glycolic acid serum, or the green tea serum from Plum. Those are like my favorite serums in the world, and they've all worked brilliantly for me. But yeah, I am now using the Cosrx ka snail mucin because we all want to upgrade in life, and yeah, I really wanted to try that out, and I am trying that out and seeing good results as well. So yeah, with all of that, I'm gonna end the haul video today. If you guys have made it this far, please don't leave without liking the video and commenting down below. Share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, it's absolutely free of course, but it will make me really happy if you can do that. I will see you very soon with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.